Hey there, this is John Roney, and here's a picture of me and my wife Sarah. Welcome back. This is the next video in our series of, Lord willing, 1,000 videos for Global Resorts Network, or maybe some other things too, but 1,000 affiliate videos is what I'm looking to do. This is number 8. This is the Global Resorts Business Network, video number 8 here. Here's our contact information if you need to reach us for anything, have any questions about this video, or would like some help with online marketing or design or any sorts of things like that. We'd be happy to help. This video right here is about the JRod sales process sign up. Now let me explain what this is. With the global resorts business, which is the business that we're promoting ultimately, I found about maybe 6 or 8 months ago, I found a sales process online. I was just searching around. I didn't know it was for global, but I ran across this very awesome video sales page, and let me flip over here and see if I can show it to you real quick. This is not it, but it looks similar to that. Let's see. Take you to my friend's site, actually my sponsor who I signed up with. Let me move this over here. Okay, so it's got, here's JRod right there. That's his nickname, I guess. JRod. I think Rodriguez is the last name. I don't remember what his first name. Jonathan Rodriguez, I think, is his name, but he goes by JRod. I've never met the gentleman before, but he's put together a really awesome sales process, and this is what it is. You opt in here, name an email, and he tells you about his postcard marketing system. It doesn't say; it kind of keeps it a mystery, but that's what it is. It's a postcard marketing system using offline postcards to drive people online to go through a sales process to buy an ebook. Now, an ebook and some audios, very low-ticket item, $20 or $30 or so. And after that, you buy the ebook, you buy the audios. It's a low-ticket product, it's called. And then from there, that product is designed ultimately to give you some training, but also to sell you into a high-ticket business. And that high-ticket business, it could be anything, but in this case, it's Global Resorts Network. It's a $3,000 business opportunity selling a high-ticket travel opportunity, saving a lot of money on resorts and travel and cruises and all that fun stuff. And we make $1,000 commission on each sale, so it's a pretty cool business. So anyway, that's the overview, is what this system is designed to do. It's to capture traffic, whatever traffic you would send to it if they come by postcards and what have you, then lead them through a sales process to buy a low-ticket item, then have that low-ticket item kind of guide people through to purchase the high-ticket item, which is the business opportunity in the end. So, and then you can make a bunch of money with the business opportunity. We'll go into that in future videos. But anyway, this video specifically is about signing up, because that's the step we're on right now. I've done some other steps, and now I'm on the step of signing up for this JRod system, because that's what I want to use. It costs $150 a month, so it's not cheap. There are other websites that are a whole lot cheaper. You can build your own, not for that little. That would cost quite a bit more to build your own, but this I wanted to show you, because this is the step I'm taking right now, and we're taking my wife and I's business as our case study. So here we go. This is the sales letter. It's real simple. It's going to talk about, how much money these people have made and all. Oh, this is actually my sponsor here, Jeff Donovan. So he's a cool guy. He's out in Utah. He's a trout fisherman, actually. It's not what he does for his job, but, he likes to fish for trout. He's made a bunch of money. He's my sponsor. He's the one whose website I kind of stumbled across when I was researching online. So anyway, I don't know this gentleman here, but it tells you about the system and how it works and things like that. You can come here, when you go through the process, and after you get your ebook and after you join the business. You wouldn't find out about getting this site until actually after you join the business opportunity. So it's only for those that are serious and are looking to do that. But for those that are, I wanted to record this so that you would see it. $150 a month. This is what I just signed up for. So I signed up for it, and then it sent me to this thank you page here. And this is what I wanted to show. It says, congratulations, you have completed the activation of your 100K income system and back office account. Here's how you can access your back office. Here's a link. But first, you need to customize your system. And what it tells you to do, step number 1, is to go and get a domain from GoDaddy.com. And I've got an account there. I'm not going to go into how to register a domain name. I'm going to do that in a separate video. But for now, I want to share with you the website that I am going to be using, which I can put it over here on the PowerPoint. Let me put it in here. I'll just kind of type it in here for you so you can see it. It's going to be http://sixfiguresalad.com. And actually, I chose this because it's unique. I had thought about it, in the past. I had never bought it. Domains cost $7 to buy, so that's easy. But I'll show you in another video how to register them cheaper than what GoDaddy offers. Legally and everything, just with a special offer code that I learned from another internet marketer. And so anyway, my wife really liked that domain. I have another website called sixfiguremonth.com, but a friend of mine is using it right now. And it sounds a little too garish, I think, and a little too kind of boastful about income. I liked it because it's so short, sixfiguremonth.com. It's really easy to understand and write down and remember. But I thought this one, my wife agrees that this is a really memorable domain name, sixfiguresalad.com. And so my advice, just in this video, I want to mention real quick, is that when you're going to sign up, if you go through and you want to sign for the business and all that sort of fun stuff, and you get to the point here where you are signing up for, this website, you're going to need a GoDaddy, what am I trying to say? A domain from GoDaddy. It costs normally $10. You can get it for $7 in the video I'm going to share later. But it's basically an offer code that is Dignation, DIGGNATION. Like dig, like the site, and then nation, like the country. So you put that in as the offer code, and you'll get it for $7 instead of $10. So that's a neat little tidbit for you. But anyway, when you're choosing a domain, make sure it's something that's short, that's easy to understand. So if you're talking on the phone with somebody and you want to give it to them, you can say, hey, just go over to sixfiguresalad.com. That's really easy to remember. Try not to keep it away from like a 30 or 40 letter thing, like how to make money in your underwear on the downstairs couch.com. That's my wife's laughing in the background because she thought that was funny. I hope you did too. So you want to keep it short as possible, as easy to understand, and you want to avoid doing some things like having two consonants that are the same, like having two S's back to back. Things like that gets a little confusing for people. Sometimes it happens and you can't avoid it, but try to. And when you're searching for it, go and look online and see, put in like money making into Google, and then go look at the people. Like I'll show you that real quick. Let's say you're going to look for a new domain name. I'm going to come up here and go to, I'm typing in my little Google toolbar in Firefox. I'm going to type in make money. And basically what I'm going to do is just study what else is out there. Like, okay, here's a domain, Master Key Promotions, Dog Watch. Who cares about, that for most things, for making money. That's not going to help you. Jay's Marketing Videos, that's Google. Penny Stock Expert. These are kind of generic, so let's do Home-Based Business. I'm going to put that, Home Business. Okay, I'm going to type that in. Signature Greetings, Home Business Finder. Yeah, these are kind of more generic than what I was hoping to find. Home Business Opportunity Meeting. Opportunities. Again, these are pretty generic, but let's see, I want to put in make money online. Okay. Jay's Marketing Videos, there he is again. He's advertising on generic keywords, which is not the best strategy usually. Ivan Blog Secrets. Anyway, these are kind of generic. I would put Six Figure Salad on here and think it would be pretty good. But anyway, here's some more stuff in the natural. Make real money on the internet. This is actually a former mentor of mine. I used to work for Stephen Pierce. This is a really cool site. Sorry to distract you and everything, but that's a good domain name. Make real money on the internet.com. So that's a really good domain name. Consider things like that. Try to keep it that length or shorter if you can, and to describe what you're talking about. Inherent in the domain sixfiguresalad.com is the notion of making six figures with a home-based, with something. Make six figures. So make it unique, memorable, interesting. If you can come up with a domain that kind of piques curiosity, then go with that. And make sure that it's relevant to what you're doing. And if you're going for any search engine type optimization, or you're looking for a site that might get ranked well in Google or Yahoo or MSN, then make sure your domain name includes the keywords, that you're trying to get traffic from. Like us, for example, we've got Global Resorts Business Network. Let me put this here for you. So we've got globalresortsbusinessnetwork.com because the topic we want to get traffic from is Global Resorts Network. So we got Global Resorts Business Network, because it's got our 3 keywords right there in our domain. So consider those things. I hope that might help you. That's a little bit about the registration, the domain strategy. We'll talk about that a little more, and also how to do it. I'll show you how to walk through and do GoDaddy registration, and try and show you step by step how to set up a business, either Global Resorts if you want, with this JRod system that like we're doing. Come work with us if you want, or something else. You can use these videos and the information to apply to another online business. That's totally cool too. Hope this helps. Take care, and God bless. Bye.